Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the benefits of Turkish coffee. Let's go to our video. If you're ready. The benefits of Turkish coffee consumed in our country do not end with count. Coffee, which is drunk 3 times a day, has an incredible benefit to the body. Both the grounds and the natural healing of Turkish coffee, which attracts with its scent, are the source of healing. Coffee consumed after breakfast or before dinner has a full holding feature. The indispensable part of the conversations, Turkish coffee speeds up the metabolism and regulates the digestive system. So what are the benefits of Turkish coffee? Turkish coffee, one of our traditional tastes, is wondered with its benefits. He is surprised to hear the benefits of coffee, both weight loss and heart-friendly. If you drink at least 3 cups of Turkish coffee a day, your metabolism will speed up and you will lose weight fast. You can choose your regular coffee, plain, medium and sweet. The dietitians suggest that coffee is preferred without sugar. So what are the benefits of Turkish coffee? Here are the unknown miraculous benefits of Turkish coffee. What are the benefits of Turkish coffee? Extends life. Turkish coffee prolongs life and is good for the heart. They state that coffee also has an antioxidant effect, namely the effect of cleansing the body from harmful substances. Coffee consumed in moderation is beneficial for human health. Accelerates metabolism. Turkish coffee speeds up the metabolism and keeps you weak. Recently, many people try to consume mainly coffee during the day, especially while losing weight, and avoid consuming other beverages or foods. The important thing is to prefer your coffee plain. Coffee that is drunk on an empty stomach in the morning has the feature of keeping it full and accelerating metabolism. Heart is friendly. Turkish coffee is heart-friendly. At the same time, the coffee, which is not intense in terms of calorie content, comes out with its properties that prevent us from suffering the feeling of satiety sufficiently and at the same time preventing us from gaining weight. It is an antioxidant tank. Cooking coffee with grounds increases the antioxidant capacity of Turkish coffee. By consuming antioxidant foods and drinks, you can increase the amount of antioxidants in your blood to fight oxidative stress and reduce your risk of developing diseases. Even if you drink 1 cup of Turkish coffee a day, it will be of great benefit to you. Accelerates fat burning. Turkish coffee, which is among the healthy drinks, allows you to lose weight by speeding up the burning of fat. When a nutrition program that is completely free from fat is applied to lose weight or increase fat burning, the use of fat-soluble vitamins, which are important for the body, is prevented. Good for the skin. When you apply Turkish coffee on your skin, you get a bright and lively appearance. The benefits of coffee grounds to the skin are also evident in the bruises of detention. It is good for Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is one of the diseases that the medical world allocates the most budgets and deals with. Turkish coffee is good for Alzheimer's disease. Gives a feeling of fullness. Turkish coffee provides a feeling of satiety when a cup is consumed per day and provides positive effects in weight loss and weight protection programs. Prevents mental fatigue. Brain fatigue is a medical negativity that occurs periodically in individuals and directly affects the person both spiritually and physically. Turkish coffee prevents mental fatigue. Prevents fatty liver. Turkish coffee, known for its incredible benefits to the human body, prevents liver fat. Drinking a cup of coffee a day also reduces liver fat and inflammation. Nervous relieves stress. You can consume Turkish coffee to free your mind or stay away from stress. Coffee consumption is increasing day by day as it is beneficial for health and good for brain functions. Relieves inflammation. Turkish coffee is good for inflammations in the body. Blocks gallstones. Gallstone formation is one of the most common diseases. Although it is seen in all age groups, it is seen 3 times more in younger age than men. Drinking Turkish coffee prevents gallstones. Relieves headaches. For those with chronic diseases such as migraine, headaches turn life into a nightmare. However, paying attention to some details provides great benefit in coping with headaches. Drinking Turkish coffee is good for headaches. What happens if you drink Turkish coffee every day? Turkish coffee both feels good and feels full. However, it keeps the Turkish coffee fresh every day. You need to consume Turkish coffee without overdoing it. Turkish coffee, which is drunk 3 times a day, is sufficient for human health. With its stimulating feature, a cup of it also makes your brain open to signals and can increase the energy in the body. If you like and subscribe to our channel, you will support us to improve ourselves. See you in the new video.